Good evening, everyone. Now, this is the question of quadratic equation. So, the name of the channel is Mathematics Rules, and you know my name also. So, solve for x 5 plus 2 root 6 whole to the power x square minus 3 and 5 minus 2 root 6 whole to the power x square minus 3. And here it is equal to 10. It is equal to 10. And we have to find the value of x. Okay, so now I am solving. Question is clear, I think. So we are coming to the question. So see here the pattern: 5 plus 2 root 6 whole to the power, again I am writing 5 minus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3. It is equal to 10. It is given the question. Now here you can see this. We see 5 plus 2 root 6 whole to the power x square minus 3 into 5 minus 2 root 6 whole to the power x square minus 3. If we will into it, what will come? See, if a to the power m and b to the power m, then it is equal to ab to the power m. Okay, so this is the index rule or exponent rule. So here power are same but base are not same. So here we can write in this square bracket 5 plus 2 root 6 into 5 minus 2 root 6 and the power x square minus 3. It is written over here. This is equal to, and now this is in a form of a plus b and this is a minus b. So you know it is a square minus b square. So it is 5 square minus 2 root 6 whole square whole to the power what? X square minus 3. So it is 25 and 2 square means 4. Root under 6 square means 6. So here is into x square minus 3. So it is equal to, we can write 25 minus 24 whole to the power x square minus 3. It means that 1 to the power x square minus 3. So if 1 to the any power, it is equal to 1, because we know that 1 to the power any power is equal to 1. Any integer, any number, 1. So we see that, therefore we can write 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3 into 5 minus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3. It is equal to 1. This is coming. This is the equation. Suppose that this is equation number 2. Suppose this is equation number 2. Let 5 plus 2 root 6, it is equal to t. Now put here the whole to the power 5 plus 2 root 6 whole to the power x square minus 3 is equal to, taken as 3 t. So now in this whole thing becomes 3. So t, whole thing becomes what? T into 5 minus 2 root 6 whole to the power x square minus 3. It is equal to 1. I think it is clear. So see here these two product is equal to 1, we have proved. And if you will take this is 5 plus 2 root 6 whole to the power x square minus 3 is taken as t, then we will write over here, this is t, this will become t, and this is written as it is. Now we will have to express this in terms of t. So 5 minus 2 root 6 is equal to 1 by t. Okay, so you are understanding this. So now here I have taken this. So this is taken as equation number 3 and this is taken as equation number 4. Now we are coming to the question. 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3, then 5 minus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3, it is equal to 10. In place of this we can write 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3 is equal to t I have taken. So here it is t, and this whole thing becomes what? 1 by t. So it is 1 by t. It is equal to 10. Now take the LCM t. So it is t square plus 1. It is equal to 10. So t square plus 1 is equal to 10t. Cross multiplication. So now see over here. We can write it t square minus 10t plus 1, it is equal to 0. Now you can split it. Here is minus 10 in place of b, and coefficient of t square is 1 and this is 1. So here we have to multiply in such a way that the product of the two numbers is equal to the product of the two numbers is equal to 1 and their sum is equal to minus 10. So you will not get it because it is not splitting. 2 into 5, it will not come. So we will use the formula. So here what is the value of a? 1. B is what? Minus 10. C is equal to what? 1. Now t minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula, Sri Dhanacharya formula. So here you will just put it, minus ABC, value of ABC plus minus root under minus 10 ka square minus 4 into A into C all divided by 2 into 1. So it is plus 10 minus minus plus, and here will be plus minus root under 100 minus 4 divided by 2. So it is 10 plus minus root under 96. So divided by 2. So 16, 60 and 96 you know. So 10 plus minus, we can write over here 16 into 6 divided by 2. 16 into 6 divided by 2. So it is equal to 4 root 6 divided by 2. Now we will divide each term by 2, or we can take common 2 common. So 5 plus minus 2 root 6 divided by 2. 2 will cancel. So t is equal to, therefore t is equal to 5 plus minus 2 root 6. So this is the value of t. And now we will have to find the value of x. This is the question. Now here we have assumed that t is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3, and the value of t is coming, t is either equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 or t is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Now in place of t here I am substituting 5 plus 2 root 6. Now 5 plus 2 root 6 over here I am writing, because t is equal to this, t is also equal to this also. So now it is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 whole to the power x square minus 3. And here what is the power? Here power is 1. So now base are same, both will be equal when these are equal, their power should be same. So 1 should be equal to x square minus 3. So now bring 3 this side, so it is 4 is equal to x square. So x is equal to root under 4. So x is equal to plus minus 2. So the value of x we have found it is equal to plus minus 2, and then other value is also here. So t is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3 I have taken, and in place of t we can write 5 minus 2 root 6, because t is taken as here the value of t is 5 minus 2 root 6 also. So other value is 5, other value of t is 5 minus 2 root 6. Okay, so now this is, and now this is equal to, we have taken the t value of t is 5 plus 2 root 6 whole to the power x square minus 3. So here is minus and here is plus. So here we will, if nothing is here, we have to rationalize. We will just rationalize over here. 5 minus 2 root 6 divided by this, and this is 5. You will multiply here 5 plus 2 root 6 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So you will get, it is 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3. This. So I think up to this you are understanding. So if there is such type of irrational number, then you will have to multiply by its conjugate by just changing its sign between them, rational and irrational number. So it is in a form of a minus b, and it is in a form of a plus b. So it is 5 square, and again it is 2 root 6 whole square, and in the denominator 5 plus 2 root 6, and it is 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3. So here is, 25 minus 4 into 6, so 24 by 5 plus 2 root 6, it is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3, and here is equal to 1. This is 1. So 5 plus 2 root 6, it is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3. And now if this thing, if we will take 1 by a, it means that a to the power minus 1 when a is not equal to 0. This is the index rule, as you know. So this can be written as 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power what? Minus 1, and here 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3. So both will be equal, then their power must be equal. If their power will be equal, then only they will be equal. So now minus 1 is equal to x square minus 3. Bring minus 3 in this side, so plus 3 minus 1 is equal to x square. So it is 2 is equal to x square. Now x is equal to what? Root under 2. You will have to give the plus minus sign, because root 2 into root 2, 2, and minus root 2 into minus root 2 also 2. So hope you will understand it. Now the first case, x is equal to, the value of x is plus minus 2, and other is the value of x is plus minus root 2. So there are how many number of values? Minus 2, and then plus 2, and then here is minus root 2 and plus root 2. So therefore the solution of this equation, the solution will be minus 2 plus 2 minus root 2 and plus root 2. So these are the solution. Hope it is clear to you. This is a little bit typical, but it is understandable to all up to 10th standard also, as well as 11th standard. Thank you. Bye bye. Hope please go through the video from the very beginning, and please like, subscribe, share, as well as press the bell button so that the notification will go to your channel. Subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.